This lane now a little bit different from time before. Now it's more dense with foliage, so the birds can hide inside the foliage and very hard to spot. So many individuals. It really like shouting and then follow the calling and then another calling, but this one is still in the foliage, still hidden in the bush, so it's very distracting. The trend is very strong now. Lighting is very strong to create hard shadow. This is totally different from the habitat that we trying to film Asia paradise flycatcher. This is totally open space, a lot of light, strong light. The window that we have only in the morning and very just around like 2 hours. I think this bird is the bird that I want to film in barrier, but I cannot film it because it's so fast, and the way that I'm using the setup at the time is not very convenient for me to follow the bird. I had to cover a lot, as you can see. The light is so strong. This is very early morning, not 8 a.m. yet. It's like very slow, I can capture it. It's totally hidden inside the auto range. That's a bush, that's a big bush. There's no way you can see it when you just look from this distance. And when it's going landing on the ground, hunting some prey on the ground. Even if I see it flying down, I didn't see it fly up. This is very nice, right? I have a coffee morning and then I go here and then I filming some bird and then I come back to the office.